How to unfreeze Freecash account. Log into your Freecash account and read the freeze message carefully. Check if the message explains the reason for the freeze. Make sure you are not using a VPN or proxy when logging in. Use the same device and location you normally use. Open the support or help section on the website or app. Send a message to support asking why your account is frozen. Explain calmly that you want to resolve the issue. Confirm that you follow the terms of service. Complete any identity verification if support asks for it. Upload clear and accurate documents if verification is required. Wait patiently for a reply from the support team. Reply quickly if support asks for more information. Avoid creating new accounts while waiting. Continue following the rules to prevent future freezes. Thank you for watching.